Hello, hello.
Hi.
Sorry for the late. I was quite busy.
Okay, it's okay. No problem. Okay, how are you?
I'm good. I just traveled back to China, and so it's like a quite busy schedule meeting lots of people. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm really happy because finally we can study together tonight. Uh, we are sorry, the past few days, me and my friend were busy with our college activities, and you were also busy with your work. So I'm glad we can finally have our first BIPA class tonight. Uh,
Yay!
yay! Yay. After we did the interview session last week, me and Milda decided to prepare a BIPA level 1 lesson especially for you. Okay, because this is your first Indonesian learning session. Today we will learn simple and basic Indonesian for daily conversation and self introduction. Okay?
Okay, okay.
I I hope tonight class can help you feel more comfortable speaking Indonesian little by little. Okay,
Yeah.
before we start, we would like to record this learning session as documentation for our lecture and our BIPA assignment at campus. Is it okay if we record the class?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Okay, before we start the lesson, let's do a little warm up first. In Indonesian, if we want to ask how are you, we say apa kabar. Can you repeat after me? Apa kabar?
Abakaban.
Okay, good. And then if you want to answer I'm fine, you can say kabar baik. Can you try?
Kababari.
Kabar baik.
Kababari. E.
No, no. Kabar baik.
Kababayi.
Okay, nice. Good pronunciation. Okay, don't worry if the pronunciation still feels difficult. We will practice together slowly. Okay, now the next session will be continued by my friend Milda. Milda, please enjoy the session. Okay,
Okay, okay.
Milda, please.
Hey, can you
Pepet.
hear me,
Yeah.
Farhaf? Okay.
Yang Farhat, PowerPoint, please.
Okay. Good evening. I hope you are doing well and ready to learn something new. So today we're going to start something really exciting. We are going to learn Bahasa Indonesia, okay? The Indonesian language. We are going to take it step by step, very slowly and very simple. I promise it's not as hard as you think. Okay. Before we start, I want to tell you what we are going to learn today, just so you know what to expect. Ada tiga hal. There are three things we will focus on. Number one, greetings. You know how in English you say
Next,
good morning,
like,
good afternoon,
E.
yeah, well, we're going to learn how to say all of that in Bahasa Indonesia. And I'll also teach you how to ask how are you and to answer it. It is simple, everyday stuff that you will use all the time. And number two, introducing yourself. This is super important, right? when you meet someone new, the first thing you do is introduce yourself. You introduce yourself. So today you are going to learn how to say your name, where are you from, where you live, and what's your job. What your job is. All in bahasa Indonesia. By the end of the session, you will be able to introduce yourself fully. That's a big achievement day for day one. Okay. And last, number three, answering simple questions. So not only will you learn how to talk about yourself, but you will also learn how to respond when someone asks you a question. Like if someone asks, where are you from? Or what do you do? You'll know exactly how to answer confidently. So, any question before we start?
Good. Pizza. We can continue.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Slide. Yang
Great.
terhad.
Let's let's start with greetings. Yeah. All right. First thing first, salam dan sapaan. Salam means greetings. Sapaan means the way you address someone. So this section is all about how Indonesians say hello. Now, one thing I want you to notice in English, you have one word for everything. Good morning, good afternoon, evening, good night. In Indonesian, we also have specific greetings for different times of the day, and they all start with one magic word, selamat. Okay?
Selama.
Yeah, selamat.
Selama.
Yeah. Selamat, if you translate it literally, it means safe or may you be blessed. But when it's used as a greeting, it just means good. Think of it like a warm, polite way of uh, polite, polite way of wishing someone well. Okay, so every time you see selamat, you know it's a greetings. Okay, next. Repeat after me ya. You can repeat after me. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, that's good. Selamat means morning. So selamat pagi is good morning. You use this from when you wake up until around 11 a.m. Pretty similar to English. Let's say it together. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, good. Perfect. And next, selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Selamat siang. Okay. Siang means midday or afternoon. You use this from around 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. So if it's lunchtime and you see someone, you can say selamat siang. Okay? You can
Selamat
repeat
siang.
after me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Yeah. That's good. And then, selamat sore. You can repeat after
Selamat sore.
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 Yeah,
Sore. Okay.
sore.
Sore.
Yeah, yeah. Selamat sore. That mean good evening, or you can think of it as good late afternoon. Sore is that time around 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. when the sun start going down. In Indonesian culture, Sore is a very cozy time of day. People drink tea, relax. So that culture Indonesia is very cozy. You can say it selamat sore.
Selamat sore.
Yeah,
Sore. Sore. Sore.
sore.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, next. Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Ya, selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Yeah, malam means night. You use this from around 6 p.m. onwards. So when the sun gets down, you can say selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Ya, selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, now what about casual greetings? Like when you are texting a friend or bumping into someone, you don't always need to selamat pagi, right? Sometimes you just want to say hi. In Indonesian, it's literally the same with English. Hello, hello.
Right.
That
Hello.
is
Hello.
yeah. Oh, hello. In
Hello.
English is hello, but in Indonesian is hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello or hi. Exactly like
Hello.
English.
Hi.
Yeah, super easy. You can use this with friends, with people your age, and in casual situation. Very relaxed. Okay, you can
Okay.
say it in hello and hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hello,
Hello. Hi.
hi. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Now,
Hello.
yeah,
Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
yeah, sama-sama. Okay, now a very important phrase. How do you ask how are you in Indonesia? That
Apa
phrase,
kabar? Apa kabar?
apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Sorry. Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Yeah.
Okay, nice try.
Apa means what? Bar means news or update. So literally, bar means what's your news? But it's exactly the same as how are you in English. That's just how Indonesian expresses it. And the answer, how do you say I am fine? Kabar baik. Okay.
Kabar baik. Baik.
Kabar
Baik.
baik.
Kabar baik.
Kabar
Baik.
baik.
Kabar baik.
Yeah, literally good news, meaning my news is good.
Baik-baik saja. Saja.
Yeah, baik-baik saja. Yeah. You
Baik-baik.
can repeat the sentence.
Kabar baik. Baik-baik saja.
Okay. Good. Good. Good.
Sama-sama.
Okay. The more important phrases you must know this. Terima kasih. You can say terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Yeah. Perfect. The pronunciation is perfect. And the response terima kasih when someone says terima kasih to you, you say sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Yeah, sama-sama is you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. And the last one is permisi.
Permisi. Permisi.
Yeah, permisi is excuse me. You use permisi when you want to walk past someone, get someone's attention politely, or enter a room. Very polite word. Permisi, yeah. You can repeat after me. Permisi.
Permisi.
Okay, that's good. Uh, Now let's do a quick review of everything we just learned. I'll say the English and you tell me the Indonesian. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Good morning.
Selamat pagi.
You can say again.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah.
Selamat pagi.
Amat.
Selamat pagi.
Okay. And how are you?
Apa kabar? Apa
Yes.
kabar?
Kabar.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Excuse me.
Permisi.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect, perfect. All right. Now we move to the next part. Next.
Next. Right.
Sorry. Perkenalan means introduction. So this is the vocabulary you need to introduce yourself. Think of this word like building blocks. Once you know these words, you can build your own sentence. Okay, let's go through them one by one.
Okay.
Nama,
Nama.
yeah, nama that means name. This is very simple. You will use this all the time. And next, saya,
Saya.
yeah, saya. This means I or me. In Indonesian, we don't change the word depending on the sentence. Saya is always saya. No I, my, mine, me, just saya. But why? There's also aku. Aku also means I or me, but it's more casual. Like how in English you might say I'm formally, but just I'm casually. Say saya is more formal and polite, good for class, work, meeting new people, and then aku is for close friends. In our class, we use saya. Okay,
Okay, okay. Saya.
okay, good. And next, dari.
Dari.
Yeah, dari. Just one word. Dari. Dari itu means I'm from Garut. Saya dari Garut. gitu. Dari itu.
Saya dari
Ya. Kamu dari mana? And next, tinggal di.
tinggal di.
Ya. Tinggal di. Tinggal means to live or stay. Di means in or at. So tinggal di is live in.
Okay.
Live in Jakarta. I live in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Saya dari China.
Ya, betul. That's good.
Saya tinggal di China. Saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Betul. Good. Perfect.
Hmm.
And next is pekerjaan. Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan.
Yes. Pekerjaan means job or job. This is longer word. So let's say it's pekerjaan.
Saya pekerjaan pengusaha.
Pekerjaan saya pengusaha.
Pengusaha.
Ya, pengusaha businessman. This is the example job we'll use today. Pengusaha.
Pengusaha. Pengusaha. Pengusaha.
Okay, next. Belajar.
Belajar.
Ya, belajar itu to study. You are belajar right now. That means you are studying bahasa Indonesia. Belajar.
Belajar. Ya, belajar.
And for bahasa Indonesia, this is the Indonesian language. Bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia.
Okay. Okay. Next. Now let's put them together into real sentences. Nah, so in Indonesian, the sentence structure is actually very straightforward. No verb conjunction, meaning the verb doesn't change based on who is talking. No sentence like past, present, future that change the verb. Just follow the pattern. Fill in your information, and you're done. I know, right? So much easier than English in some ways. We have three patterns today. Number one is identitas diri. Number one is about telling people your name. Super basic ini. This is super basic. The example is nama saya.
Nama saya Nick.
Yes. Oh my god. This is so perfect. And next,
Nama saya Sanier.
that is example. Next,
Kalau kalimat 2, Neng.
kalau kalimat 2, Jepetan never change. Nah, number 2 is about where you from and where you live now. 2 sentence, but very easy. Very easy. Okay, you try the sentences. You can try read the sentences.
But I can't see the slide.
Sorry.
Saya dari China.
Yeah. Saya dari China. The pronunciation is good.
Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Tinggal
Yeah.
di Jakarta.
Just change the country and the name.
Next slide, Neng Farhat.
Saya pengusaha. Saya pengusaha.
Seorang.
Selong.
You can say seorang.
Seorang. Saya seorang pengusaha.
Seorang.
Seorang. Saya seorang.
Okay, nice.
You can say again.
Seorang.
Ya. Saya seorang pengusaha.
Saya seorang pengusaha.
Yes.
Saya punya toko susu. Saya punya toko
Saya
susu.
punya
Punya
toko
toko
susu.
susu.
Ya.
Saya punya toko susu.
Ya. Betul.
Good.
Good.
Okay.
Ya.
Terus kamu.
Okay. Let's wrap up what we've learned so far. You now know 3 sentence pattern. 1. Nama saya. This is my name. Is. And 2. Saya dari and saya tinggal. Saya dari is mean I'm from and saya tinggal di is I live in. And 3. Saya seorang is mean I'm a blah 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 blah. Put them all together and you have a full set introduction in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay. The pronunciation is good. Okay, Sania.
Okay, welcome back. Next slide, Neng Farhat. Okay, now we will continue learning 5 basic Indonesian question word. These words are very useful for daily conversation. The first one is siapa. Siapa means who. For example, nama Anda siapa? And the meaning is, what is your name? Okay, now can you say siapa?
The slides.
Uh, the slide.
Eh,
No. Yang atas, Neng. Terus atas lagi, bukan. Nah,
Siapa? Who?
okay, good. And the next word is apa. Apa means what?
Apa?
For example,
Apa?
yes. For example, apa kabar? You already learned this word.
Apa? Yeah.
Like, repeat after me. Apa kabar?
Apa kabar?
Okay, great. Next, we have dari mana. Dari mana? It's meaning where are you from? Can you repeat dari?
Dari mana?
Okay, very good. Okay, and the last one is di mana. Di mana? It
Di
means
mana?
where.
Mana?
For example, Anda tinggal di mana? The meaning is where do you live? Okay, please repeat for me. Di mana?
Di mana?
Okay, good. Nice. Nice pronunciation. Okay, next slide, nih Farhat. Okay, now let's practice a simple Indonesian introduction together. I will say the sentence first, then you can repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the first sentence is, halo, selamat pagi, apa kabar?
Halo, selamat pagi. Apa kabar?
Okay, good. Very good. Now, you turn to answer. Selamat pagi, kabar baik, terima kasih.
Selamat pagi, kabar baik. Terima kasih.
Okay, nice. But repeat again. Once again. Selamat pagi, kabar baik, terima kasih.
Selamat pagi, kabar baik. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Nice. Okay, next sentence. Nama saya Sania. Nama Anda siapa? Please repeat.
Nama saya Sanien. Nama Anda siapa? Nama saya Nick.
Okay, good.
Nama Anda siapa?
Yes, good pronunciation. Now you can answer nama saya Nick.
Nama saya Nick. Nama Anda siapa?
Okay, my name is Tania. Okay, perfect. Next question. Next slide, Neng Farhat. Next question. Anda dari mana, Nick?
Anda dari mana, Nick?
Okay, good. And then you can answer, saya dari China. Sekarang saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Saya dari China. Sekarang saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Okay, once again. Saya dari China. Sekarang saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Saya dari China. Sekarang saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Okay, very good. Next question. Anda kerja apa di Jakarta? Please repeat.
Where is that?
Anda kerja apa di Jakarta?
The slide? Change the slide.
Neng Farhat, please. Next slide.
Anda kerja apa di Jakarta?
Yes. Okay.
Kerja.
Anda kerja apa di Jakarta?
Anda kerja apa di Jakarta? Jakarta. Di
Okay,
Jakarta.
good. Good. You can answer, saya seorang pengusaha. Saya punya toko susu.
Saya seorang pengusaha. Saya punya toko susu.
Okay, good. Once again, Ningmila, please, the speaker.
Saya seorang pengusaha. Saya punya toko susu. Toko susu.
Okay, great job. And the last question is, kenapa Anda belajar bahasa Indonesia? Please repeat.
Kenapa Anda belajar bahasa Indonesia?
Okay, once again.
Kenapa Anda belajar bahasa Indonesia?
Okay, good job. And then you can answer, saya belajar bahasa Indonesia untuk bisnis saya.
Saya seorang pengusaha. Saya punya toko susu.
No. No.
Slide.
Next slide. Next slide. Once again.
Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia untuk bisnis saya.
Okay, once again, please.
Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia untuk bisnis saya.
Okay, excellent. Okay. Now, let's do a small speaking practice. Okay, this time, try to introduce yourself in Indonesian without looking at the text. Okay. You can
Saya
no. You can talk about
nama saya Nick. Nama saya Nick.
yes, your name, and then where are you from, and then where you live, and then your job, and why you learn Indonesian.
Saya dengar di Jakarta.
Yes, and then and then your job.
Saya businessman.
Businessman means
Huh?
businessman means
Yeah.
peng-
Saya pengusaha. Yeah.
yes. And why you learn Indonesia?
Saya pengusaha.
Yes. And why you learn Indonesian?
It's too complex. The sentence is too complex.
Ini saya.
Oh. Can you repeat?
Saya.
Ada
Saya.
pengusaha.
Yeah. Okay. Once again, from your name.
Nama saya Nick.
And then where are you from?
Saya tinggal di Jakarta.
No. Where are you from means dari
China.
Yeah.
Dari China.
Yes, good. And then where you live? Now.
Saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Yes, okay. And your job?
Pengusaha. Saya pengusaha.
Saya seorang
Pengusaha.
Yes, good. And Why learn Indonesian?
Uh, too complex. It's too complex.
To bisnis saya.
To business saya. Yeah. Business saya.
Good. Very good. Your Indonesian is already
Toko susu. Toko susu. Toko susu. Susu. Toko susu.
yes. Toko susu.
Ya, toko susu. Saya
Bisnis toko.
bisnis toko susu.
Yes. Good. Your Indonesian is already really good for the first meeting. Your pronunciation is clear and you speak very confidently. Okay. We have reached the end.
Terima kasih. Gulu. Gulu.
Ya,
Gulu.
sama-sama.
Okay.
Okay, we have reached the end of today's lesson. Today you learn Indonesian greetings and expressions, and then introduction vocabulary, and then simple sentence patterns, and then basic question words, and the last is how to introduce yourself in Indonesian. You did a really great job today. Yay!
Yay.
Yay.
Terima kasih.
Especially for the first meeting. I hope today's lesson was helpful and enjoyable for you. Okay,
Very helpful.
thank you so much for joining our BIPA
Terima
class
kasih.
today.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
See you in the
Terima kasih.
next meeting.
Okay.
See you in the next meeting. Have a great evening.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Terima kasih ya.